What's up, everyone? Welcome back. I am Cody Pratt, aka Random Hero. Do you have tattoos, or have you seen someone who has tattoos that look just a little old and faded? Well, today we're talking about how to make old tattoos look new. Let's get started. So as we get older, so does our skin. And the longer we have had our tattoos, the older that they do start to look. They can get a little blurry, lines and color can start to bleed out a little bit, and just generally they fade. But not only does old age affect the tattoos, sun and other elements can also damage your tattoos. With that being said, let's talk about two things that can help your tattoos look new-ish. But before we jump in, let me make sure that you understand that most of this is my opinion. The products I'm going to talk about, specific brands, are what I like and what I use. You don't have to use them. There are many variations and other things that may work for you and for your skin. These are what I like. With that being said, links to these products will be in the description below if you want to take a look at those through Amazon. They're quick and easy and will come to your house. So number one are preventatives. Now, these are things we can do right now to keep your ink looking good in your skin. There are probably many products like this that fall into the preventative category. I'm only going to talk about two right now. The first one is lotion. Lotion is awesome, it's common, it keeps your skin good and healthy and moisturized and hydrated, and it's also good for your tattoos. Tattoos are in your skin, and when you take care of your skin, you're also taking care of your tattoos. They look nice, bright, and vibrant. My favorite lotion is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Heals and Softens. It's awesome, it's amazing. It's a 24-hour moisturizer, and which means I only need to put it on once a day. Another really important preventative that I want to talk about, I don't currently have my favorite kind with me that I want to recommend to you, but it is sunscreen. Now, if you work out in the sun or you are constantly out in the sun, this is way more important than you probably give it credit for. Now, when choosing a sunscreen, here are a few important things to think about when picking one out. Any sunscreen will work. It doesn't have to necessarily be marketed for tattoos. It's all the same. If you are swimming or getting wet, make sure you get a water-resistant sunscreen. Super important, and most of other sunscreens will wash away in the water. And make sure you get at least 30 SPF sunscreen. Now, I do prefer mineral sunscreens. It's safer for you, safer for the environment. It's mostly natural ingredients, and it's just super effective at protecting your tattoos. My favorite right here is Baby Bum Mineral 50. For sunscreen, just put it on about 10 to 15 minutes before you go out and then reapply it every couple of hours. And then the second thing that I do want to talk about is what I call regeneratives. Now, this title may be a little misleading. It's the best way I can describe these types of products. So there is no way to undo damage that is already done to your skin. But there is a way to help make them shine again and to help start bringing them back to their original glory. Now, this first product is probably one of my favorite things that I use. I use it just about every single day. It is a tattoo balm, all natural, 7 ingredients. It's amazing. This product does help to restore my tattoos a little bit because of the ingredients it does have in it, bring them back to how they used to look when I was just a little bit younger. Now, this is Mad Rabbit Tattoo Balm. Like I said, 7 all natural ingredients. It's absolutely amazing. Now, before we go on, I want you to know this is not a sponsored video. I just really love this product, and I absolutely do stand by it. Now, I still do use cocoa butter on most of my tattoos that aren't fully exposed to the elements, like my chest piece and my stomach and sometimes my legs, but mostly I do use the Mad Rabbit, especially on my arms. And then the last little thing I want to talk about under the regenerative category is a little bit of cheating, I guess. And we have talked about this before, and I'll link that right up here, but that is tattoo touch-ups. Now, I know it is just going out and getting another tattoo on top of tattoos, but if you really love what you got on your skin, don't be afraid to go get it touched up. It's the best way to bring it back to its former glory. Go out and find a new artist you like and you trust, or go back to the original artist you used. But I think touch-ups are probably the best way to bring your tattoos back to what they used to be. Now, I will say all these lotions and tattoo balms are still really good, and you should use them after every tattoo to help keep your skin healthy and moisturized. So make sure you have some of these products to keep your tattoos good looking and not looking so old and grimy. Remember, you did pay money for these tattoos, so you better take care of them. Let me know in the comments below if you've used any of these products and which ones you like and other ones you may recommend. And of course, as always, go like, follow, subscribe to this channel for more tattoo education and tattoo advice. One last time, if you are interested in any of these products or you've used them, need a refill, whatever, I do have links in the description below to those. You'd really be helping and supporting me out. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.